When it comes to image manipulation, most people use Photoshop. I am making this video to convince you that you don't need Photoshop and pay for that cost. There is a GIMP. It's spelled GIMP. Get the software. It is open source. And also, you don't even use Windows-based system. There is free Linux systems. It's open source. This is the one that you're seeing, Ubuntu, and that's also free. So pretty much get a laptop, nothing inside, just install Linux system and get this GIMP. It's open source, free. Photoshop like software, it's almost same. And here is the result. You're seeing that I made this capacitor for a friend, and I'm not gonna make it too long, but I'm just gonna show you the original image. This is the original image. Even though background is removed, it was worse than this. But here is the presentable version that is going to be a presentable product on online store. You decide what to use.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.